amigos, welcome back to the Evolving Trader and let's start this video now. So today's topic is my long-term view on Tata Motors, like what the historic data says, how it behaved in historic data, the best time to invest in, and is this the best time to invest it in right now, and what's the pattern formed. And so if we see the stock is Tata Motors, the current price is 442 rupees as of closing of the day I am recording. So the pattern formed is inverse cup and handle, which is an extremely rare pattern and many people would be interested in it. And of course, if we see the stock fundamentally, if we see historically, it has provided a great return of 80.38%. If you see the financials, the revenue is lower than industry, the market share is decreasing in the industry, but the numbers are not that big. But if we see the company from history, the revenue is increasing, the profits are increasing. Of course, due to COVID they are impacted and they come back nicely, so they are looking good as of now. They have a good mutual fund and foreign institution holding, so that's also not an issue. The dividends are not that great, I believe, and entry point says good according to ticker tape, and the pattern form is inverse cup and handle. And if at the same time we see the sector, which is CNX auto, Nifty auto of course, and it is also at a cup and handle which is about to break, because if it gives a closing above this month, it's broke, and many stock are at a breakout, but I believe this stock is not to trade at this breakout, and I'll explain it. So if we go historically, if you have any doubts, just go historically, check how the stock has reacted to the pattern if it was formed, and just execute it in market. So if we see here, I have already done it, so I won't waste your time. So here a cup and handle was formed, it broke, it gave closing, retested, everything happened, but we are on monthly chart to specify it again, and it just didn't give the return which basic technical analysis tells. Like from here to here, what's the range, it's 253%, it is expected to go till here. So, and as an investor you find the best time and best price to invest, which never comes, so that you can remove your costing and just go ahead, but it just didn't happen like that. So again, you would think that this was a good place to accumulate, but it also wasn't according to stock. Maybe it was good place to accumulate half quantity or in portions. So again from there it came down. This time it formed a inverse cup and handle, which is the current pattern formed. So this is something to note, that the pattern form is inverse cup and handle. So from here it breakout retested, like let me specify, this was the handle, this was the cup, this broke, retested the level, and just boom. So the best point would be enter to half quantity on the breakout, which is here, and rest the quantity on the retest, which is here. So you would have divided it nicely and just would be more confident on it. Again, a cup and handle, a small one, and actually it delivered the return. But if we see what about this inverse cup and handle, so you would hold it according to technical analysis, which shows that again here, from here to here, if it is offering 78.5%, so here also it should, and actually it did. If we see, yeah, it did it till here. So of course you would have got your target here, but what about the best price? Like just buy and forget a price like that. So that price was somewhere here, and even here if you would have bought in portion strategically. So that's about the stock and its behavior. So same here, the cup and handle are giving their targets, but it's not like the best time to invest, or the price which would never come again irrespective of anything. The price which has never came again irrespective of anything, the price it gave after the stock prices crashed in the crashes. So this is a 2008 crash, and this was the best time to invest, like this consolidation. From here the price never came back in history. So if you see, same ways when the stock crashed in 93, it crashed, and this was the best time to invest. the price came a bit down, and of course the stock markets and all are at their beginning stages. But if we see after 2008, those prices never came. Like if you would have accumulated here, this price never came. If you would have accumulated here, this price though never came. So you were always in positive as an investor. So again, a great rally missed after that. Again, same inverse cup and handle is formed, and the best price and time to invest was this after COVID crash, not the current one. Yeah, again, like if we see, due to historic data, the cup and handle hasn't provided that great return according to technical analysis, but the inverse cup and handle was just formed once, and at the time he has provided its returns. And if we see what's happened in company, actually what the company is doing, so basically if you are in some sort of mechanical engineering on those automobile companies, so you know that all these cars are based on some platforms. So first Tata Motors had built 5 to 6 platforms and just 10 to 12 models of their cars, but as of now they have just two platforms, uh, Alpha one and a Hexa one, I believe that's the name. I don't know exactly. And on that, all their 8 to 10 products are based, like the small platform, which is Alpha one, I believe, and on that Nexon, Tigor, Eltros, and all those small cars are based. The platform is same. If you notice, the steering position is same, the sitting position is same, everything is same, because they are based on same platform. And if you see Harrier, Safari, and all those big cars, they are based on the big platform, and they are also same, like sitting position is same and everything is same. So due to that, their profit margins are increasing, the products wasted in making the process by using more platforms is also reduced. And if we see from EV standpoint, they are the first ones to enter in the market through Nexon EV, and they did it too smartly. Like they just placed a battery handful with their hands instead of a diesel engine, which is just mind blowing, and it is working great. Just to see people's reaction and review on EVs, and how people react to EVs, and how they buy, and to see all those behaviors. So that's a great standpoint again at current time to invest in Tata Motors. So like if you believe in stocks, I believe in the stock Tata Motor, and if you personally own a Tata car, then you shouldn't hesitate to buy it at any price. Because, and if you plan that for 5 to 10 years you are supposed to, and you will own the car as you believe in it and you use it, so like it just doesn't make sense for you to do analysis. You are the answer, that you know that you are going to use this product, you believe in this product and this company, so it may sustain according to you, and so your view is directly clear on that standpoint. So irrespective of price, you can just buy out how much you want to as per your capacity and just forget it. Or otherwise you have some knowledge and all that stuff, so you can just divide your investment in portions and all that stuff. Many people say that, but the main part is psychology behind why you are investing in the company. It's not necessary that you should invest in every single company. So that's it for the video. That was my long term view. If you like this video, you can comment down if you want some more videos like this. So if you found something valuable, please make sure to subscribe to the channel for updates like this. Thank you.